Hello everyone. Welcome to Newspage USA. An earthquake of magnitude 6.1 struck in the Nias region in western Indonesia, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center said on Monday. EMSC said the quake was at a depth of 10 kilometers, after reporting a depth of 2 kilometers earlier with 6.1 magnitude. The earthquake was 325 kilometers southwest of the city of Padang Sidempuan in North Sumatra, EMSC said. If you felt this quake or if you were near the epicenter, please share your experience with us. Thank you.